So hello guys, welcome to Thropen Tutorials. So guys, in this video we'll be discussing positive bias series positive clipper, right? Now before analyzing this circuit, let me tell you a short trick how to decide from the circuit itself what type of clipper the circuit is, right? So first is the polarity of the diode, which is directly connected to the node itself, indicates what type of clipper it is. So as you can see here, the P side, or we can say the positive side of the diode, is directly connected to the node. So this is a positive clipper first of all. Now which part of the waveform, that is positive part or the negative part, the clipper clips, we can decide from the reference voltage. So for that you have to travel clockwise sense. When you travel in clockwise direction, you face first the positive polarity of the battery, right? So this clipper, this positive bias clipper, will clip the positive part of the waveform. So therefore we named it as positive bias series positive clipper. So now you know how to analyze what the output waveform will look like from the circuit. Now let's analyze this circuit, right? So by applying open circuit test, so we have open circuit the diode. Now see, this is the P side of the diode and this is the N side, and I told you that in a diode current always flow from the anode to the cathode, right? So this will be higher potential, this will be the lower potential, right? Current can never flow in the reverse direction, that is from N side to the P side. See, now if I apply KVL here, first of all, see, as it is open circuit, so the current will be 0. Now if the current is 0, then the voltage drop here across this resistor will also be 0. So now if I apply KVL, then we'll get V0 equals to 0 plus VR, right? Then V0 becomes VR. So V0 equals to VR. Now if I apply the KVL in this loop, right, then we can write Vd is equals to V0 minus V in. So V0 equals to VR, so Vd equals to VR minus V in. See, we are applying KVL in this sense. The polarity which we are facing first, we are writing that. Let me show you how to apply KVL. See, first of all, we are facing negative polarity, so we will write minus V in. Then this is open circuit, so we don't have to write it. But we have a diode voltage across it, so it will be minus Vd, then plus 0 volt, then plus VR, because we are facing the positive polarity of the battery equals to 0, right? Then we can write from here that V diode is equals to V reference voltage minus V input. So this is what we have written here, since V reference is equals to V0 from the this loop. So now see, the diode will be on when Vd is greater than 0. See, Vd greater than 0 indicates that the current is flowing from positive to the negative side. So when Vd is greater than 0, that means diode is on. Right now if diode is on, that is it is forward biased, right? So that means VR minus V in is greater than 0, or we can write V in is less than V of R, right? So now when the diode is on, V0, I can write V0 is equals to VR, right? See, because when the diode will be on, sorry, this will be V in. See, when the diode is on, then it will be short circuit, it will act as a short circuit, right? So if I apply KVL here, then it will be minus V in the outer loop, in this loop. If I apply KVL in this loop, then minus V in plus V0 equals to 0, right? Minus V in plus V0 equals to 0, so that will give me V0 equals to V in, right? So this is what I have written here, V0 equals to V in. Now when Vd is less than 0, that indicates that diode is off. Why? See, because when Vd will be less than 0, that is current will flow from N side to the P side, right? Because we have taken diode voltage polarity to be plus at this side and minus at this side, but if it comes negative, then it means that the voltage polarity which we have taken, the actual voltage is opposite to that polarity, right? So in that case, the current will flow from this N side to the P side, which is not possible. So when Vd is less than 0, diode will be off, and when the diode is off, this will be open circuit, right? Open circuit when the diode is off. So at that point there will be no voltage drop across the resistor, since we have open circuit, so no current will flow through this resistor. So if I apply KVL in this loop, then in that case we will get V0 is equals to VR, right? So now we will draw the output waveform for this circuit. So now guys, as we have applied positive bias, so we will take our reference voltage here. So this is our biased voltage, or we say reference voltage. Now we also have to draw vertical lines where this voltage is touching this input waveform like this. So now guys, as you can see, I have drawn the similar input waveform here, these dashed lines. So now when Vin is greater than VR, so consider that this is VR, okay. See, now when Vin is greater than VR, that is in this part, Vin is greater than VR, right, in this part of the waveform, so in that case the diode is reverse bias, and V0 equals to VR, that is the reference voltage. So that is in this part, so this will be equals to VR, right, like this. Now when Vin is less than VR, that is in these parts, Vin is less than VR, this is VR, right? So V0 equals to Vin, so the output voltage will be identical to the input voltage, so it will just copy it like this, right? So this is the output waveform. Now we need to draw the transfer characteristics. See, I told you that transfer characteristic is the graph between V0 and input voltage. So now when see, we have drawn VR on the positive x and y axis because we have applied positive bias. In case of negative biased, if you see in the previous videos, we have drawn it in this negative sides, okay. So when V in is greater than VR, that is this part, when V in is greater than VR, right, the diode is reverse bias and output voltage equals to the reference voltage. So this is the reference voltage, right, this point is the reference voltage. So when it is greater than VR, then the output voltage is equal to VR. Now when Vin is less than VR, that is in this part, then diode is forward bias and the output voltage equals to input voltage. So it will be passing through the origin. So this is just y equals to mx line. So the slope of this line is equals to 1, right? See, this is the transition point, okay, the reference voltage which we take. So that's all for the positive bias series positive clipper. So we'll meet in the next video. Thank you.